Hi guys, this is lesson 30 for Croatia. The first page is order operation and we need to find the answer to each question. Lesson number 1. We need to do parentheses first. And let's do this first. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And where's this? And 4 minus 4 is 0. We need to divide by 90 is 0, and divide by 38 is also 0, and divide by 49 is also 0. So number 1 answer is 0. And let's do number 2. We need to do parentheses first, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and 10 times 0 is 0. So let's rewrite the equation. 0 plus 4 plus 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. And lastly, let's do number 3. We need to do parentheses first. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And next we need to do multiply by first. And 4 times 3 is 12. And 8 times 2 is 16. And 9 times 1 is 8. And 9 plus 1 is 9. 96 minus, we need to subtract negative 1, is 95. So number 3 answer is 95. And let's do next page. Next page is multiplication, and we need to find the product. And lesson number 1, 55 times 36. 5 times 6 is 30, and also 30. Okay. And 5 times 3 is 15, and also 15. We get, and we need to add these two numbers. We got 0, 8, 9, 1. So number 1 answer is 1980. And let's do number 2, 68 times 88. And 4 times 8 is 32. And also 32. And 6 times 8 is 48. 52. And we need to add this number to 13 and write 1 top over 3. And 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6 and 5. So number 2 answer is 5,632. And lastly, let's do number 3, 91 times 75. 5 times 1 is 5, 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 1 is 7, and 9 times 7 is 63. Add this number, we get 5, 14, 4, 6. Seven, 63, 500. So number 3 answer is 6,080. 825. And let's do next page. Next page is an equation with variables, and we need to find x, and we need to make x by alone. Let's do number 1. Let's make x multiply by x, and we get 536 equal 8x, and we need to divide by 8, and we get x equal 67. So number 1 answer is 67. And let's do number 2. We need to subtract negative 38, and 72 minus 38 is subtract make 6 and give 10, and 2 minus 8 is 4 and 3. So x equal 34. And lastly, let's do number 3, and we need to add 28 both sides, and 99 plus 28. We get 17 and 127. And this is the last page. And let's do number 3. A bag of flour is 9 pounds, and Chuck needs approximately 36 pounds of flour. How many bags of flour should he buy? And we need to divide by these two numbers. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and this is it. And 4 bags of flour. This is the answer for number 3. And lastly, let's do number 4. Frank worked 100 hours each day for the first 4 days of the week. How many total hours he worked in this 4 days? And just we need to multiply by this number. 10 times 4 is 40. So 40 hours he worked. And this is it. Thank you for watching.